Everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Angela. In my last two videos, we created this responsive, accessible table, then we made it dynamic with a little bit of JavaScript. And today I quickly want to show you how to update the date in the footer. And this is a great little trick that you can use with JavaScript in order to make all of your footers dynamic. So first I'm going to go over to my markup and take out the static date, but put in an ID, or rather a span with an ID of date. And spans are inline elements by default. Then I'll go over to my main.js and we'll create a new function, called copyright. And in my window on load, I will make sure that we invoke that function. All right. The first thing we want to do is declare a variable called date that is equal to the element on the page. So we'll say document get element by ID, and that of course is date. Next, we're going to declare a variable called year, which will be equal to new date. And I want to take you over to the browser to show you exactly what it is that we are accessing. So if we go to the console, we can say new date. And when we type that in, it gives us all the information about the date and time at this moment. Next, if we type in new date dot get full year, you can see all this information pop up. But if you say dot get full year, we get the year that it currently is, 2021. So next I'll go back to my main.js and I'm going to say if date, because we want to check and make sure that the element is on the page. If date dot inner HTML is equal to year dot get full year. I'll go ahead and save that. And you can see here now that our date has been dynamically updated. So moving forward, any website you have where you put this little function into your site, every New Year's Eve on December 31st, the year will automatically update. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I hope you're having a fantastic, fantastic day wherever you are, and I'll talk to you later. Bye!